Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone uses the Lightning or USB-C port because the wrong adapter won't work. Next, insert the SD into the reader firmly. Micro SD goes into its adapter first. Once done, plug the reader into your iPhone, unlock it, and tap Allow if a prompt asks for storage access. This grants the Files app permission. Make sure low power mode is off and the card is seated. Those two things prevent false errors when the system scans the drive. Open the Files app and tap Browse, then choose the external drive entry to reveal folders. This is how iOS exposes the card. You can preview images or long press files to get copy. For photos, use the Photos app import flow where available. Once done, select your destination on my iPhone or iCloud drive and tap Paste or Import. Copying is safer than moving because it preserves the original. Make sure you monitor free space and wait for progress bars to finish before removing the reader. To finish, close the Files app and wait until file transfer is complete. Then unplug the reader. This avoids corruption. If the card is unreadable, check Format. iPhone prefers XFAT/FAT32. Reformat on a PC or Mac after copying backups. If transfers fail or the reader disconnects, try a powered adapter or a small USB hub because some readers draw more current than the iPhone provides. Finally, if photos don't import, restart the phone and retry. That often clears temporary driver-like glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.